So what's the UK abrochi memuha? Na when your car akwenshie bi enyo fo. Ana se adokita fo ahwe wa wan hwe Right claim betumi aboa wa ma wagisi kan pimpin bebre. Ya wo UK a lawyer for etitru ana se ekuku damfo a betumi aboa wo afonko ama. Kosi se we sika no beba. Eno ani se wo be ko www.rightclaims.co.uk. Na wa fill wo form. Wo betumi afre yen wo number ya ewu figure ase. Say a cancel of flight. Ana se when your flight delay for over don shremensa. May trek 3 hours. Enko bebia. Right claims betumi aboa wa ma ahanso wagisika. Right claims. It's as simple as that.
Green Select Glucometer from Costless Ventures. Safidi kitwaya etimimpo esho botomi eboa ma uhunu sugar level abribia. Wana ho diabetes anayarea hodwa emma sugar level. Esote wo brano no. Safidi ebe bo nka ye baby bia wo bia no wada won so akohu doctor ntem. Na wo dry betimi ma blood sugar no aye pepepe. With Green Select blood glucose monitoring system, you get your test results in 5 seconds. And you 5 seconds per now results are ready. And it's suitable for persons of all age. Na ne boa so de at the form of Call Costless Ventures now on 0205-915-315. Green Select Glucometer, the best. This advert has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Sa kodie ni Edem omu video na omu yeye no se okai ebe ya reach ye favor video no na fe yemra meshe san komo no na fe yento aso ya share sa video no na se onim se video no sa kodie ntimi amba Edem a chreche mu kakra e ba be di san komo na ya hwese kinsak ya de Edem epre ne ho efia ka ho efia de otimi ba a friend is saying if you think about video shooting, no, but Edem de Sako de rather Sako de Yahumba be your coffee. Bottom line is that the song audio was done by these three, but the video was done by just the two of them. As in Edem and Efia Sako there was nowhere to be found. We all know what happened. Them some nobody matters said they didn't come out fine. Bra Edem who says Sako de amma now ko shoot video no we no or yet tweet be said Kinsak. I know say you know if you come my video shoots, I lose money, but I no ball. Anytime you need me, call me, make you roll. I think say after that tweet, no now Edem minyanya appearance on any platform yet. God being so good, why appearance on TV3, and finally the issue came up. This is how Edem responded to Bella Mundi on TV3. In short, Edem's video now on this if you are not some on the day. And if you listen to the conversation, we'll say on the day, before the day, no, fresh Saturday man the day too. Say, King, Saturday when you shoot you, King, oh, no problem with them. Saturday a day I will come. Saturday, you do the Mutuka and offer King. King, make we meet for a crowd molo. He called King, Kino pick. Kino give if it text message, Charlie, my wife they sick, my kidney they sick, Charlie, my car spoil, like my head they ache me, maybe I get COVID self. I for stay away from you guys to save you guys. King never pick any call. The video finished, and after a video, at least you need like 2 weeks maximum or minimum, sometimes a month, based on how you shot it to do the editing. King never reach him, but he finished editing. He put out a tweet say, "King, I know ball everything." Still, King no say anything. Very sakodaya idea now, anyade.
Boss, let's call a spade a spade. Criticism sometimes, no. Oh yeah, now the hypocrisy is no attack. I'm not saying say Edem and Sakode and a hypocrite. I'll say both of them. In this sense, so Endran Yankee discussion we are okay exactly 1 month, 22nd of February 2001. I mean 2021. Yeah. And Edem exactly 1 month. And now before I obey and all my I will say okay, before time in the for the video shoot, you linked up Frey and now test here. However, there was a communication to Sakode. Say oh boss, this when we are going to this is the day be video. Or so yes, that's what you said. That day want men show up. So now 1 month. I know say Sakode one what phone. One what sim. one hour regulated emails near the idea. A way to reach Eden back. It is your choice. Until at this point, what exactly is stopping you, Sarkodie, from reaching him? Eden Park could be the reason. Tina be intimate get it back to Eden to just let him know. Say. Eden sono at fault. Are you doing this because yes Sarkodie Tiana and because yes Sarkodie Tiana? Are you saying this thing on the light?
What is Eden doing wrong?
Maybe them if you say no, also kind of street. Actually say Sarkodie.
Can't day street.
Say my video na me my boka. No, I say or in a matured way, but me who say or relax and on the so kakra.
Say what say.
Yeah, no, but
no, but person or yen say in the way say, okay, Sarkodie, my friend, say be a human only say ya. If you want member, just let me know. Say be a mint member on your money so. Not till now. No reply yeah. Not still what now yeah it's okay. Oh, I'm cool.
And you person at the money who said
no, yes. No, make us put in that man so be on in the harsh or hard way. But at least just express some mood be and I wish be way be you who say oh okay it's because Edem Otiono affecting no. But I'm telling you the way of sounding you could feel the inside say any yes said the guy did that but because a yes Sarkodie intino untimi can see it. That is how I'm seeing things now.
Okay, Hula. Yeah,
so I think Adam did very well, and then so far he has been so mature about this issue. It was like all kind of monthly, and then he just put out a tweet showing Yema Olusu. Even though he is not, from my point of view, as he said, as a national, but he's trying not to add emotions. This because Charlie business, this show business, you can't attach emotions. Because Charlie artists will be link up with a deal. Me who artists and I me who like me who conversations will be about this person will help this person, but at the end of the day, not artists no bashing the manager money deal baby. You understand? Fine, yeah, and then we've heard say Sarkodie most of the times even collaboration, but even so like responding to Twitter and I say message in point. I think the Freddie May also. Crab say Sarkodie say Sheriff going to complain about that same thing. So one, Kwagese complain. So one, I'll force Sarkodie for not communicating. Even it says in our account. If Abia will buy area and I say begin the CM oh bro, I know go film make but you guys will be shoot and then Abia later will be shooting with them. It happened with our Bra4 concept. Back and forth, later we go shoot with them. You understand? So communication is key, very very key. So with Niakoso, I maybe more there. Sarkodie is at fault because at least Edem has been a brother for.
And why is he still making it difficult to communicate?
You see, that's it. A brand like Sarkodie, communication shouldn't be something that a bad deal.
Because Anya Shikra, Edem be your colleague.
Yeah.
From Hama. Yeah.
You understand? So communication is key, and then Sarkodie is failing to do that. And so far, I don't know the reason why the brand Sarkodie, which you know, say if you talk about Sarkodie, the fan base will be like you brand no. But this should be some of the things that should add up to the brand. MYA unique.
Yes. That a guy respects his colleagues. On your mood,
so if a colleague simple message you and then you see. Sometimes they must have with my artist and as a PS on them by you see Sarkodie in a video of an upcoming artist. There was a time Kwagese was complaining and I'm missing Sarkodie come reply, me say come but Amadu went on air saying oh it will be just Twitter pay send them the song way you do. You understand? So is it being that Sarkodie
selective?
Yes, he's being selective and then he feels say okay, Abia with Adam maybe I mean and feel or mean about Adam they maybe in Canada or something like that.
Adam to day 4.
You understand? Adam so because Adam is still an alias as this one kind. Because we're gonna be right even though levels so. But Sarkodie failing to communicate is not the best way at all. And then Adam is trying to be very matured and not attach emotions because nobody knows tomorrow. Because
He's really handling it professionally. Yeah.
Yes, we've seen the Bujay days. That Bujay song was Edem's song, but that Bujay song brought out Sarkodie. Even before baby the tears. You understand? So he's trying to be professional because this now the only way I'm finding uncomfortable was him saying say Oborapaholic and then without even taking a penny. Even with that, Sarkodie also predicator for you. Which I don't mean if Sarkodie charging you, so I'm charging you. But at least you should know say that relationship
butter system.
Yeah. So,
okay, now super we can.
Yes, the main fan was
manage time down your time.
The Emma one more kind of say is say innocent mafia and say. But boss, Tanasi and your cancer same we say. There was a time Nigerian
cartoons we are Mrs. Sarkodie or cultural press release no.
Me say the way Sarkodie a team no omutimi Tanasi a year press release.
Aye.
The bad one thing. Now that way now to me to it. That means there's a problem somewhere.
Okay, road to us.
But I don't know so near.
Oh yes,
bread they want bread.
I think I will give thumbs up to Edem for how matured he's been with this issue. Because when we say age we acquire hand go hand come, and no nipa inside the show will do more. Tomorrow it might be your turn. It is a banner now can one shank can year. And she no see this to be more of a communication problem between Sarkodie and Edem. And from Edem to Sarkodie's team. Because in as much as say yes, you have a personal relationship with Sarkodie, you can equally reach him through his team. In our first Sark personally one fan. How well did you try to go around him to communicate? Because I know say yes, Edem Bekas only response here no. Osaka say it is expected. Yes, Sarkodie the time now Kobe responding no. I think during that period, Nimana Edem so they tweet in the boom. Or started the video link and a boss here. And should Sarkodie respond, that means it is going to be more of Edem's benefit. Okay, the other banner trend or new Bianchi. So by reply or Palma, they are just hype there. And yanka hype in which is why on Sarkodie and Kassem will want them da. And unless you do by July. They call us Scottam and Sana Sarkodie because me say, and no son so about to say boom, it will be to his advantage. Saturday now video no say we benya kakrampo ani kakrampo na ba because they are coming now or the project beba same now start to kwan there mo oba over to egum so say you know
and the meaning of or tigum zaria
it's in now can yes at the end they won't share them at the end they share them pa because sikana will lose and also when to say Sarkodie be na sa it is Sarkodie di no ayani ya. But I also like how matured he is keeping this whole issue because after this project, you still have future stuff that you can do with Sarkodie. I like his submissions on platform.
Okay.
Uncle Swamboso.
Five year border. Budukutu bonaba.
You see, these are some of the mindsets and attitudes we should get in our space. I don't know, Ankoyi, Mobi Musa Ankoyi, and the way so obey Yana, so no betting Abuama, say a bed address it, Amasun Diaban, and say a key. I think that the way now are fast and now all canon. We can't now you be who say, oh, no cresse or frail or one call, then I was say, we any pay, ABS a chop and go actually, when him says sometimes, Yamati be company, no be a baby. What I say, bet. Say the na Zola Ekano. This is not the first time I will be about I can be say Sarkodie and BBC. Biana David and so boy. Inti as a in soup. And you see, he say in soup are only careful because we'll be much answer. Disrespecting your own colleagues in this way. And so it doesn't add up to a brand, you know, like the name you want to keep. The legacy be a person musically, yeah, because we should be to say Edema. I know way back. Like, you know, Anya Shekra, my those days are quite the same thing. You see, sometimes respect and who here.
Yeah.
Obuanka beti me dey my them they say, "Wafro, or say Saturday we try video. Saturday na no panel. Who want him say won timi nko. Who want send message say, "Oh Charlie, bro, say na now can e be amenya COVID."
Hey, Sarkodie could tell any lie in this world.
I want to save you guys, like for your own safety.
Let me quarantine myself.
Yes. Wow, yes, sir. And then Nipano on the day now, all star video now. Buy and the new society and crack. Yes, and yes, Bana home by an uncle who bufu. I said Jenny Panayam share. Yeah. Because ABR open your government so no Sarkodie castle be banty. Unam crying sober. What if son am crying sober na bibia baby?
Yeah.
And the video set so now bana bibia baby yo. Wow, shembe yo, one sending message, one friend, one who miss call, 1 month in what kind of disrespect is this? And then when you finish, Muhammad Saka Kotana Twitter, and Ghana, you don't support your own, and you don't do this, and the artists are not united, and the media is not pushing. And with this kind of attitude,
who push what?
Who push you? Who support you? You see, Munu said the other in Sanifan Jari Benkumu.
Yes.
Now Benkumu said to me Jari Nifano. When you don't do these things and then you come back and then my baba then I say would you a cool nia hopefully say yeah now would you yen maybe a cool be no boys this year because you are at the top you know why you are something to say nipa hype in tina all the would yes sir. Don't take advantage of where you are today because ebi ochinebino sa nipa na wo this ad no so abefra abasoro ejaw. This is music space. It can happen. And finally, awards are where we need. And then our Ronaldinho or Shabbo Basija Messi, and then Messi was awards chain. Cristiano Ronaldo, our records chain Ronaldinho. In terms of individual achievements, but he brass I mean, Brabona Airbo. What do strong? Put me, maybe they say, who they want to me? What is so difficult in saying,
but I heard they meant to ask you. Should that thing be so difficult to do?
No. And brother, when my dad you put the same video in the AB, we are in this business. Share ABR, Uber fella say, oh, and then the Sarkodie, and the Sarkodie, and the set so I could hear Jumano and T. ABR, the 3-star,
yes, because it's a Sarkodie coming.
Yes.
You want to respect his brand.
Yes, let me pan out, but no someone send no message back, then you waste that money.
And
quite better watching it.
And people also, even on the set, on the shooting, the people would expect that respect from him to Eden.
Yeah.
So then you disrespect the guy like that. They can on technical level. But yes, the emotional level, we don't think about it. Maybe an macro or set and so daddy today we be our friend no can say Saturday be should be an macro one and change. Or bastard not the name. Oh, sir, daddy Sarkodie will be coming. Daddy take our want to see
Sarkodie, yeah.
Do you know what you are causing to the guy? We don't think about all these things.
Emotionally.
It is not nice. If Sarkodie one share nyama we here, say na make no enye nipa baako, say nipa baako mienu bi anke be hu ha e be kam. Complaints in the bar neighbor. And you see the area say sometimes no to say obi dia ba no aye. Like what are you looking for? Jo obi dia or send a WhatsApp we need 30 minutes now why no extra video say I'm rather there Twitter like what?
I'm rather say me just about me because the video in the on train. Because episode yeah, me kai.
Nice song.
Try video near.
Adomini wow,
nice song.
Brasa me enyo. Or the beer yard of table crying say come papa no know. When you had of a record and you maybe papa bills my bill na Sarkodie better video. The man is ready. Man crabo say when the man is trying to use Ghana maybe a video director. Sarkodie said that yeah on fan full flight in South Africa. I'm telling you Brasa me. I'm telling you I was working with Adolf. On fanning full flight in South Africa. And fast South African new director. No video. Just like how? And then you come and sit back and then you be saying say yeah supporting more artists. Directors no so much video ne. This is why sometimes when artists need go on mama say ba person me can put on. Because that's someone that's someone you am come say me rest studio my record the media now have to push me. You are not pushing your own. You are not pushing other people.
You want the people.
Yeah, na make us video directors omugu Ghana ase. Some artists who say me for 50,000. Me yes na me for mama. It say who the 50,000 cho video na currency. Enya 50,000 no the be investment. E the be so sit down no so kwatena be ka say oh mejima me ye me sit down me no wo mind. And just support ni be no. Then you want to send those monies elsewhere. Who person who nkwa na dey be who say oh I no dey wa say. Na omo na manche na mo so mu ye ejuma na e what more success ni wa achieve no mo din ya then you want na mama sa baba be kan general to say mo go bia ye yo
amobra.
It is not nice oh.
Okay, Yapon. MC Barikama, Roland Amate, Nana Reagan, and Zola. Rasta Karen Flex, Yaola PG, Itindo, the Solomon, Tina Baby, and Omo Maka, Chironyina, Yamisha, Mo Mosha, Yamisha.